Why are you filming you fucking retard?
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Ethan Rider channel. We have smashed 50 subscribers. Big thank you to everyone that has subscribed. That is not all. 96% of you are not subscribed to the channel. Change that today. Hit the subscribe and drop a like down below. What are we doing today, you may ask? Let's take a look. Oh, look at this filth. Ugh. Disgusting. Who did this? So as you can see, that exhaust is looking horrible. The whole thing somehow is covered in rust, and we're going to start taking that off today. What we're going to use this. What is this? This is quadruple zero steel wheel. Yeah, you think steel wheel is going to scratch it? This is so fine, it does not. So this is how bad the main part of it is. But look at the end here. Obviously, I did a little test to make sure this video was going to work. But that was mad. I just went over that a couple times. I wasn't even a lot. Even on this part, you're thinking, that's horrible. That looks so bad. Well, here is another little test patch I did. Mental. So we're just gonna, I guess, time lapse it just for proof. Yeah, this is Miracle Workers.
Oh yeah.
Just gonna try and do this quickly just to show you in real time, not sped up. Supposedly doing it wet's a bit better, so that's why I've just got the damp cloth, just wetting it down. It's raining, so I don't want to get the camera ruined. There's a piece here at the front. Oh, this is not sped up as well, this is real time. And bam, look at that. Wow. Very nice, very good. Great success. I mean, this is mint. This is something here that's melted on, but yeah. Okay, so I just wanted to show you, it works on wheels as well. You see you got these chrome wheels, nice and crusty, you know. It's not looking great. Well, flip it over. Ta-da! Nice and shiny. Damn, that's a shiny wheel. You can even see the reflection, dude. Look at the reflection. Yeah, so now we're done. Thank you. Goodbye.